Hello all. So today I have Kuldeep with me, and Kuldeep, one amazing story. He is a UG BTech in mechanical engineering from IIT Delhi, and then IIT Guwahati for master degree in aerodynamics and propulsion, and now PhD IIT Madras. So he will be my lab mate, probably because he is also in propulsion, aerospace propulsion. So hi Kuldeep.
Hello, hello. Nice to have you on channel.
So Kuldeep will tell you guys that why he didn't go abroad for higher studies and why he is roaming IIT to IIT, IIT to IIT. This is going to be his third IIT. Kuldeep.
So basically, I completed my BTech from IIT Delhi, and if I tell you about the differences between IIT Delhi and IIT Guwahati,
I will hold this. Yeah, you focus.
IIT Delhi is quite small in terms of size when I compared with IIT Guwahati, and also IIT Guwahati is located in a city, so you will find many what can I say, many different kind of shops near to the IIT Guwahati where you can visit, but
Yeah.
but in IIT Guwahati it is situated in a village, so near to the IIT Guwahati you won't find many shops.
Means rural areas.
Yes, near to rural areas, but in terms of air quality IIT Guwahati is
Wow.
best. And so if you want to live in a good environment, I will suggest you go with IIT Guwahati. And if I tell you why I didn't apply in foreign university to pursue PhD, it is because of my personal reason, I would say. Because yes, it is my personal.
Yeah, because a person from IIT Delhi, UG, and then IIT Guwahati, PG, then definitely he or she can easily adopt a like foreign universities, USA, Europe, anywhere, wherever. Yeah, okay, so now what are you expecting from IIT Madras?
IIT Madras, I just spent 2 days here and I've seen many good things. Like I just visited Center for Innovation Hub where there are lot of projects currently going on related to the rocketry, aircraft. They are building model aircraft. They are building model rockets also. Even Hyperloop project is currently going on in the Center of Innovation Hub. So I mean, I am quite excited to pursue my PhD here. Yeah.
So this was a short talk with Kuldeep. In future, I'll find time and I will request him to have a detailed talk so that upcoming generation of 11th, 12th classes, they can be motivated for JEE exam, or people who missed IIT in their UG, they can join IITs for PG, PhD after GATE exam. Thank you all. Thank you, Kuldeep.
Bye. Thank you for having me on your channel.